law enables us to write the general result for the magnetic field due to an arbitrary current distribution, or it is an experimental law predicted by Biot and Savart dealing with magnetic field strength at a point due to a small current एलिमेंट मीन्स बायोट सेवर्ट लॉ की हेल्प से हम किसी भी पॉइंट पे एक करंट एलिमेंट की वजह से फील्ड की स्ट्रेंथ को फाइंड कर सकते हैं. इफ ए बी रिप्रेजेंट्स अ करंट एलिमेंट, पी क्यू is carrying current I, this wire PQ is carrying current I, and R is the position vector of the point for which we have to find the magnetic field. Then the magnetic field dB at P due to this current element dl depends on the current passing through the wire, the length, and sine theta, where theta is the angle between dl vector, that is current element, and the position vector. dB is proportional to 1 upon r square. On combining all the equations, we get dB proportional I dl sine theta upon r square. So this point P can be moved further near the wire or far from the wire. So dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sine theta upon r square, where mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 टेस्ला मीटर पर एम्पियर. यूनिट को ध्यान रखिएगा, म्यू नॉट की टेस्ला मीटर पर एम्पियर, and its value is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Mu naught is known as permeability of free space. Now in vector form it can be written as mu naught ideal cross r vector upon 4 pi r cube. Direction can be determined by right hand screw rule. SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Note, dB is perpendicular to dl and r, that is cross product of dl and r, so it is always perpendicular to the both current element and position vector. If P lies on the conductor, then magnetic field is 0 because distance becomes 0. If the theta is 90 degree, then magnetic field will be maximum. If theta is 0 or 180, then dB is minimum, that is magnetic field at that point is minimum. All these conditions are to be taken care. Magnetic field due to a whole conductor is found by summing over all the current elements like dl. Many elements are formed in this wire. So net field can be written as integral dB is equal to integral mu naught I upon 4 pi dl cross r vector upon r cube. This is the vector form of total magnetic field due to current elements at a given point.